Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's learn English. Friends, this video I have made on my viewers request. So today's topic is possessive nouns. So without wasting much of my time, I want to focus on this topic. So firstly I will tell you what is possessive noun. So possessive noun is nothing but it denotes possession, ownership or belongingness. It means the word possessive means the thing to whom it belongs. Okay. And we denote it by giving apostrophe sign, or we also denote it by uh, adding the apostrophe plus s and sometimes off pattern. This you will understand with the help of example. See the first example. Ram's pen is lost. Over here we have given apostrophe plus s to denote the pen of Ram. Okay, so the possession is Ram here. Okay, so Ram's pen is lost. The wheel of car is punctured. Over here we have used off pattern. And in the third sentence, there is a girls' college next to my building. So over here we have used apostrophe. Now these things you will understand in detail. Okay. So I will discuss with you rules of possessive nouns. So the first rule is, if noun is singular, we add apostrophe as s to it. Okay. For example, see the first example, boy. Okay. Now boy is what? Singular noun. Okay. As according to the rule, we add apostrophe s to singular noun. So we have added apostrophe s. Okay. Boy's book. So the book belongs to whom? To the boy. Okay. Next example, student's problem. Student is singular noun and we add s with singular noun. Okay, so student's problem. So the problem of the student. Okay, but when noun is plural, we add, sometimes we add apostrophe and sometimes we add apostrophe s. So I will tell you when do we use apostrophe. We use apostrophe when the word or when the noun ends with s. Okay, and when it does not end with s, we use apostrophe s. You will understand with the help of example. See here, girls college. Now s is already here. Okay, so when s is already there with noun, we just add apostrophe it to it. Okay, girls college. Okay, now as I told you, according to the rule, when the noun ends with s, we just add apostrophe. And when the noun does not end with s, we add apostrophe s. For example, children. Children is a plural noun only. But over here, we have added apostrophe s because no s was there in this now with this noun. Okay, that is why children's library. I hope this rule is clear to you. Next rule, if two or more nouns jointly possess something, then possessive sign apostrophe s is put on the latter only. This you will understand with the example. So over here it means this is a Mohan and Sohan's school is very far. So school, it belongs to both the person. Okay. Now when one thing belongs to both the person, that time we add apostrophe s only to the latter only. That means two noun is here. Okay. Mohan, Sohan. Okay. School is also a noun, but the possession is this two, Mohan and Sohan. So at this situation, we will add apostrophe s only to the latter. That means this and this, in between these two, we will add apostrophe s to the latter only. Okay, that means Mohan and Sohan's school is very far. Next, if two or more noun shows separate possession, possessive sign apostrophe s is put to each noun. For example, over here, Mohan and Sohan houses. See the noun here. It is plural form. Okay. It is plural form and it belongs to two person. Okay, two. It has shown two different possession. Mohan and Sohan houses. If it would have been house, then we would have written Sohan's house. Okay, but as over here it is houses, this noun separates possession. Okay, so we will add here Mohan's and Sohan's houses are under construction. You can see the difference when it is school and it jointly possesses something, then we use apostrophe s to the latter only. But when this two or more nouns shows separate possession, means Mohan's house also and Sohan's house also. Okay, so two different houses. So Mohan's and Sohan's houses are under construction. Next rule, possessive sign apostrophe s is used with last word of a compound noun. Now you must be thinking, what is this compound noun? Compound noun is nothing but when two or more words are joined together, that time we say it is compound noun. For example, sister-in-law. Okay, sister-in-law. So sister-law. Okay, two nouns are joined together to form a compound noun. So when the sentence is my sister's in law or sister in law's house is very beautiful, we will not write sisters in law. We will write sister in law's house is very beautiful. So when there is a compound noun, we use apostrophe s with the last word. So in this word, my sister in law, in this word, we will use apostrophe s to the last word. So this is wrong and this is right. Sister-in-law's house is very beautiful. I hope fourth rule is also clear to you. The last and the fifth rule is when, sorry, it is not the last rule, many more rules are left to be explained. When two nouns are in opposition, possessive sign apostrophe s is put to the latter only. Means when two nouns are in opposition. Example, the Tagore, the poet's famous book is Gitanjali. Now you must be thinking, why not Tagore's over here? Then the poet's famous book is Gitanjali. No, we cannot add this. We will write Tagore's, the poet's famous book is Gitanjali. According to the rule, what we have to do? We have to use apostrophe s to the latter only. That means after this poet. Okay, because one noun is Tagore and the other noun is poets. Okay, poet. So we have to use apostrophe s with the latter noun only. Okay, that is the Tagore's, the poet's famous book is Gitanjali. Our next rule is that we do not use apostrophe s or apostrophe with possessive pronoun like mine, his, hers, yours. Okay, for example, this book is hers. So we do not use apostrophe here. Okay, this dress is yours. Hers, yours is what? These are possessive pronoun. Okay, and we do not use apostrophe s or apostrophe with possessive pronoun. Keep it in your mind. So the last rule is, if else is used after somebody or everybody or nobody, apostrophe s is used after else. For example, this book is not mine, it is somebody else. Now after else, according to the rule, we add apostrophe s here. Okay, so whenever somebody, everybody, nobody is there and after that else is given, somebody else is given, we add apostrophe s to else. Okay, I hope all the rules are clear to you now. Friends, I have given one activity here and I've given the answer as well, to make it clear, because you might get questions of this type. The web belongs to a spider. So, what will be the answer? It is spider's web. Okay, to whom the web belongs? It belongs to spider. So, spider apostrophe s. Why? Because spider is singular, and with singular we add singular noun, we add apostrophe s. Okay, so spider's web. The man's hat. What are the two nouns here? Man, hat. So we can also write the hat of the man, or we may also write the hat belongs to man. Okay, or to the man. So only this much for today. I hope possessive noun is clear to you. And if you have any doubt or queries, you may ask me in the comment box. Till then, bye bye. Take care.